What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Makedo. We back at it again with another video today. Man, we finally got this mod. I've been waiting on this mod since August, and it finally arrived. So we go ahead and we go jump right into this video today, man, because I'm juiced. I just want to give a quick overview. We're not gonna actually do the install, but I'm gonna just give a quick overview on the actual product, and we go ahead and we go knock the install out sometime later on in the week. I got a lot to do, but we go check this thing out. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the thumbs up, make sure you drop a comment, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it, man. Right now I'm cleaning out my trunk, trying to get a lot of stuff organized, so y'all gotta excuse my trunk and my car, man. I tell you about this Vegas weather, man. I just washed my car and rain just came in today and tore everything up. But let's go ahead and jump right into the topic. So, man, CCI Caliper covers. Like I said, I ordered these things in August. They took a little bit of time, but I definitely think it was worth the wait. So let's go ahead and unveil these. Man, y'all gotta excuse my ashy hands too, man. I've been outside doing the work, man. Doing a lot of work. It looked like I've been boxing in powder, man. So y'all gotta excuse my hands right now. We doing a lot of man work, but yeah, I think these things are looking pretty good. So this is the actual product. I think this one is gonna go, I think this is for the front. Yeah, so yep, this is for the front right here. So we go get this stuff figured out, but I think it looks really good for the most part. I want to give y'all a better view at this. So that's for the front, and as y'all can see, I got runner 100% custom, so I had to get the runner right there. Yeah, man, these things look really good. I'm anxious to see how it's gonna fit, and I think this is, no, that's the other front one. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this really quick. But I know everybody out there, it's a lot of people that think the Caliper covers are kind of cheesy, but with CCI, I don't think that's going to be the case, because these are well made. It's nothing like that. What's that other company? I think it's MPG. My bad, y'all. I'm over here fumbling with this, but this is the smaller one right here. Yeah, man, that actually looks really good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line these up for y'all so y'all can see each one, and you can see, man, that looks actually crazy. They did an amazing job on this particular product for sure, and I'm excited. It's like aluminum. It feels hard. It doesn't feel like cheap or cheesy, and just the overall build quality is solid. So you can see pretty much all of the detail that they put in here. I think this is a pretty amazing product. Super detailed. This is what the inside looks like. Inside has these magnets that are going to attach to your actual caliper. But man, these things are extremely solid. Like, I actually love the design on these, so I can't wait to get them on. I'm gonna show y'all the back of this one really quick. I can't wait to get them on, and I don't know if I'm necessarily gonna have to take off my actual tire. I have seen installs where they kind of just put the thing behind and just kind of went around, so we go figure it out. But this is the back one right here. So yeah, man, these things looking real good. Once again, I'm gonna show y'all the front, and we go make this install happen later on this week. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much just a quick overview. I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the product up close and personal. Man, I absolutely love it. They look really good, so I cannot wait to get them installed. So we go run an install video sometime later on this week. Hopefully I get the time. I have to actually contact CCI directly to get instructions. So even though you guys see a lot of install videos on YouTube, it's recommended not to follow those particular videos. You definitely want to reach out to them and make sure you get the instructions for yours. Make sure that everything is proper, because I definitely don't want to mess anything up. I don't want to be on the road and have like anything fly out. So yeah, we gonna make it do what it do. Also, man, I've been working on a lot of back end stuff. We got to get like better communication between all of us. So what I plan on doing, I think I'm gonna go with Twitch as a platform. I think Twitch is gonna be the platform. That way I can I can stay a little bit more engaged, because YouTube is cool for the most part, but it just takes a lot of work to try to keep up with all of the comments, and then sometimes YouTube, they don't even provide you with all of your notifications. So yeah, man, we got a lot coming. I promise y'all, we go get it booming, we go get it rocking this year. I'm gonna stay more engaged. Once again, I still need to figure out the direction of the Grim Runner Instagram page, as well as just future videos. I got a lot that is on the drawing board for the most part, so trust me, this year is gonna be a very exciting year. I appreciate all of the new subscribers. I appreciate all of my day one subscribers. You know, I know we all kind of be busy with family, but trust me, we gonna make it do what it do, man. So I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all to the core. We gonna get this install rolling, and I'm pretty sure, man, they gonna look good on the car. I'm just excited to see. Like, I wanted to go with Brembos or something like that, but with me honestly considering getting a Hellcat in the near future, it's like, why spend all that money? And I would rather put all that money into performance. But I think once we put the covers on there, I think it's gonna look real good. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. I don't want to take too much of y'all time. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed, and y'all have a good one.